Okay, she's very angry. But watch what happens when I brought my drink to drink. She wants to eat it. But she gets very happy about this mug. Ice water. Okay, so we take it away.
She likes the cold.
It looks funny from this side. You can see it. Oh, drool on my mug.
Oh.
Look at
She wants to drink
first
it.
mug.
She wants to drink it.
Here you go. Ready? There you go. Drink. Drink. Okay, watch. Ready? She knows it's coming.
The condensation probably quenches her thirst. Oh.
You take it away. Bring it in for some goodness.
I'm so excited. Oh.
Take it away. Kyla. And happiness.